Okay, after 1 hour incubation in 4 degrees, this reaction separated into 2 layers. Ideally, it should separate into 3 layers: the top medium layer, middle fluffy layer, and the bottom clear layer. In this case, don't worry, we'll help you to proceed into 3 layers. First of all, we need to remove the top pink medium layer. Let's do it. Use a big pipette to take everything on the top, the pink layer, out. Okay. And next step, use a smaller 1000 microliter pipette to transfer this bottom layer into a 1.5 ml microcentrifuge tube. Let's do it. Transfer everything here. The white bottom layer, everything we take out, and then put into a 1.5 ml tube. And then we put the whole thing to a smaller benchtop centrifuge to spin this tube for 1000 G for 3 minutes. To save your time, I just did one experiment before to show you after centrifuge you should see this 3 layers. Now we want to further remove the top medium layer and the bottom clear layer. Okay, let's do it. We want to keep the middle fluffy exosome layer. Let's do it. We want to do it as clear, as clean as possible to remove everything on the top. And again, to remove the bottom, you use a pipette to penetrate the middle fluffy layer into the bottom and take it out. Don't worry about waste a little bit middle layer. We want to do it as complete as possible. If you didn't do it well, you can try it again. You can see we take everything at the bottom out. And then we want to repeat the centrifuge. We take this middle fluffy layer into centrifuge and spin for another 3 minutes for 1000 G. You will see it further separated into 3 layers. There's some left over in the middle layer. Again, we want to remove the top pink layer. Let's do it. This time I use a smaller pipette to do it well. You can see we try to remove the top pink medium layer as clear, as complete as possible. We can afford waste a little bit because our kit, the yield is so high, you don't need to worry about yield. Okay? Take everything on the top. And the little leftover in the bottom. Penetrate the middle layer again. Okay. Right now, what we left here is only the middle fluffy layer. We want to put here, open the cap for air dry for 10 minutes.